Okay, hello guys, this is my first unboxing video of the Fiio FH3s. So I just got these today and we're gonna unbox them. Oops. Okay, sorry for that. Okay. So this is assume it's a manual. Yes, it's a manual in Chinese and English. I saw it. Yes, and English. It's a manual. And then we are greeted with the IEMs themselves. So we get to that later. Let's take it out. Okay, then there's this box here. Let's see. Oh, it's quite heavy inside. I assume it's another box inside. Yes, it's the transparent case which you usually get with the other Fios as well. And inside here we have another case. This is a soft pouch, and I think inside the pouch we have the ear tips. Let's see. Yes, these are the ear tips. I don't really don't want to open them, but I can show you how it looks like online here. Right, so the ear tips would look, yeah, like these. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pairs of silicone ear tips and 1 pair of foam tips. Okay, so let's get back to the IEMs. Let's put this aside. Oh, there is a cleaning tool as well, right here. So they come with the silver plated copper cables, which feel quite good in quality. Yeah, as you can see, it's fairly thick. I believe it's a 4-core split into a 2-core. Alright, let's get the IEMs out now. Okay, sorry about that. So everything is out. So as you can see, they are using an MMCX connector, and right side is signaled with the red color here, and blue is for the left side. Yeah, and the design is very similar to the FH5 and 7s. So this is about it. And yes, before this I had the FD1s, which I have lost surprisingly, which is why I got these instead now, the FH3. I tried it out at the store just now and it sounded pretty good, I would say, for the money. It is almost 2 times the price of the FD1, but yeah, they sound almost 2 times as good. So I would say the price is justifiable in my opinion. Yes. So yeah, I will need to give them some burn-in of around 100 hours recommended by the retailer. And yeah, that's about it guys. Thanks a lot for watching and have a nice day.